Hey, to record screen on the Redmi 13C, first you have to open this notification panel and click on this screen recorder icon. Right now, as you can see, we've got this icon that appears on the screen, this bar, and when you click on this settings icon, you will be moved into the settings where you can adjust the settings of your records. So here we can adjust the resolution, the video quality, orientation, sound source, the frame rate. So for example, you can hit the 30 frames per second. On the other options, you can lock screen to end, show touch gestures, or show button taps by simply tapping on the switchers. If you start recording, just click on this button, and right now the screen is recording. Here we've got this floating menu. It will be not on the video, so you don't have to worry about this one. If you want to finish the video, click right here, and if you want to locate it, you can simply click on this folder icon, and there you will be moved into the records. And here is our screen record. As you can see, there it is. So there's also another option to do this. When you open the tools folder, you can open the screen recorder, and here you can also adjust the options and record the screen. So right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.